Place the exhaust pipe on the removable table. Raise the plywood on both wings of the table. Prevent the exhaust pipe from rolling. Select applicable clamps for installation to the exhaust inlet. Push the table to the work area. Align the exhaust pipe outlet with thermomutual anti-temperature water cooler. Inlet of exhaust pipe connected to the high-pressure heat exchanger. After the connection is completed, the exhaust pipe is perform pressure test. After the pressure test is completed, automatic printing of generated data. Put the guardrail in the right place. Set the high temperature parameters. Start. After 3 minutes, temperature rises to 365 degrees. After minutes, temperature rises to 600 degrees. The role of heat-resistant temperature water cooler high-temperature regeneration process to recover carbon from the exhaust pipe, dust, and harmful substances through water filtration, thus playing an environmental. The environmental protection use of regeneration is complete. Select the burst blow mode. Connect the burst blow pipe to the exhaust pipe. Connect the burst blow pipe to the exhaust pipe. After the connection is complete, set the blowout parameters. Blowing the exhaust pipe will be residual leave dust, carbon, etc. completely out. After the explosion blowing is completed, the high-pressure thermal breeding converter and exhaust pipe connection into pressure test. After passing the test, regeneration is completed. Wait until 3 分钟. Use cooling time. The discharge tube can be reinstalled. Dock section. Exhaust pipe DPF section. Exhaust SCR section.